So whenever you start Premiere Elements for the first time, you see the quick goal screen and you may have turned it off. So to turn it on, if you were to go to Windows over here, you don't see the quick goal settings anymore in expert mode right here. So in order to see the quick goal screen, you need to go around onto the quick mode first. And once you do that, if you were to go to Windows, then you can see that quick goal screen is an option now. So once you go around and click right here, you get the quick goal screen as you can see right here, which allows you to access to trim a video right here or to combine photos to create a single movie as you can see. So as you click on this, it allows you to go around and select out clips right here. And what happens is that you get to the trim mode as you can see, just like this. Let me just go ahead and close this out right here. I don't want to save this. Then you get an option to combine photos and videos to create a new single movie over here as well. So you can go around over here and select out multiple clips right here and you can add it in, and then you can see that you can quickly import out as you can see right here. So you want to access the quick goal screen right here and you want may have disabled this, then you can simply go to Windows and then quick goal screen and access it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.